Okay, Hrisi, let's see what can we touch. Close your eyes.
I'm touching
What are you touching?
a book.
What are you touching? Czekaj, покажи после.
I'm touching a burger.
A burger, let's see. Right, it's a hamburger and it's very tasty. Good job. Thank you. Let's put your hands inside again. Put your hand in and close your eyes. Now tell me, what are you touching?
I'm touching a cup.
You're touching a cup? Let's see. Yes, very good. This is a cup. What do we do from the cup? We drink. We drink milk from it. Yes. Let's see. Close your eyes again and tell me what you're touching.
A book.
You're touching a book? Let's see. Right. Good job. This is a book. And it has animals.
Kid, mouse, and dog.
And a parrot.
Parrot.
Thank you. Okay, let's continue. Put your hand in, close your eyes, and tell me, what are you touching? I am touching.
A toothbrush.
You're not sure what it is.
A toothbrush.
Toothbrush, really? Let's see. Oh, is this a toothbrush?
No.
No, what is it?
It's a bowl.
It's a ball. All right. Well, we did not guess this one. Okay, put your hand in and close your eyes and tell me, what are you touching?
A Santa.
Santa Claus, really? I am touching.
A Santa Claus.
Thank you. Makasiti ako to. I am touching.
A Santa Claus. I'm touching a Santa Claus.
Let's see. Right. This is Santa Claus. Very good. He's saying, ho, 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 Merry Christmas. Right?
Yes.
All right. Put your hand in again. Don't look. Close your eyes. And tell me, what are you touching?
A car.
I am touching the car.
I'm touching a car.
You're touching a car. Let's see. Right. This is a car. Very good. And what color is this car?
Black and fire.
Black, and there's fire on it. Excellent. High five. Thank you. Okay, let's do it again. Put your hand in and close your eyes and tell me, what are you touching?
A toothbrush.
Again?
A toothbrush.
Toothbrush. Let's see. Right, this is toothbrush. Excellent. We brush our teeth with it. Excellent. Good job, Hrisi. Okay. Put your hand in and close your eyes again. And tell me, what are you touching?
I am touching a dolphin.
A dolphin? There's no dolphin here. Let's see. This is a fish.
Fish.
Thank you again. Excellent. Put your hand in and close your eyes. And tell me, what are you touching? I am touching.
A star.
Because I am touching.
I'm touching a star.
Let's see. This is not a star. What is it?
An egg.
An egg. It is an egg. Excellent. Good. What are you touching again?
A circle or a star?
Okay, which one?
I'm touching the star.
All right, let's see if it's a star. This is not a star. It's a circle. You almost guessed. Right. This is a circle. Good. What next?
It's next. So, I'm touching the star.
Right. Okay, this is right. Excellent. Right. All right. Good. What are you touching?
Just one finger I'm touching. Take page.
What?
Page.
What's this?
Page.
Let me see. Peach. That's not a peach, sweetie. What is it?
A triangle.
A triangle.
A triangle.
Is there anything else?
No.
No, it's empty. There's nothing.
Aha.
You found everything. Thank you, Hrisi. High five.
Swap.
Thank you.